The home behind me is packed with features that most people overlook when they're building their custom home. Today, I want to show you some of those features and how it all came together. The first detail I want to highlight is in the backyard. We brought the home up 18 inches to give the homeowners a peace of mind that there's going to be no issues of flooding now or in the future during hurricane season. The next thing is this big patio with motorized phantom screen. They have a vision for hosting, and this is going to give them the opportunity to do that and bring people together. I want to show you the inside now. You're going to love this next part. These floors, our homeowners were able to save about $15,000 just by being informed about the material and making a wise selection. The windows, these are Anderson 100 series windows in black. They look great, extremely high quality. The best part is our homeowners saved about $50,000 on their window package. Another really important thing to think about ahead of time is the work that you do not want to do when the build's over. Two big areas that are always a headache to do after the fact are trim work and ceiling work and big feature walls. Because of our close relationship with our homeowner, we worked with him to come up with a design for the ceiling and this feature wall, thinking strategically about where we're going to put electrical outlets and where the boards for the trim are going to land so they're not interfering with each other. Over the living room, starting from the fireplace all the way into the kitchen, are three massive trusses that were custom built with nickel gap trim wood between them. It's not just strategic to think about it ahead of time because it's hard work and dirty later. It's really important because we laid out our electrical lights, ceiling fans, and AC vents to land between the trusses, which is hard to do after the fact. Nobody wants to get sprayed with cold water before you start your shower. This is important for us to think about ahead of time. We put our shower valves in locations that you can reach without having to fully get into the shower. Not only that, this beautiful marble shower has a drain that's totally hidden under the floating bench. All right guys, we hope you liked the video and we hope you learned something. If you or somebody you know is interested in building a custom home or remodeling your current home, we'd love to hear from you. If you like the content, drop us a like and leave us a comment. We'll see you in the next one.